got it in the air. The worst of it's gonna be that, I think. Checking the integrity of the axle. And our roll bar bracket on this got tweaked. That's cheap. These are very. I'm gonna go ahead and just order some. That one I'm gonna check the integrity of, but I might just cut it off anyways. And all this separated, and that's not very cool. So a little bit of work to do. Door's not fitting right. I'll go through the top, but this wheel tub and body are separated. It's a nasty little booger in there. Oh. Alright, so here's the gist of it. The hammer tone is dried, looks good. Starting to put brakes on and all that fun jazz, and then a few washers and stuff to finish bolting all this up.